Please leave a message after the tone.
Hey there, it's Sporticus from Lazytown. I'm just here to phone you to check on you that if you're staying fit and keeping healthy, and also to eat your sports candy. And let's move the world. Bye.